Okay, so a couple of things on Skylight protectors. These are the clips. You can see the clip and the 8mm rivet. So the clip simply goes over the edge of the Skylight mesh like that, and then depending on where you are on the rib, that can either go on the end or on the side like that. Doesn't really matter. You'll notice it's got an EPDM underneath, and in the middle, that's to ensure that it stays sealed. Now the other important thing is to make sure that you don't rivet through the actual Skylight, because as we know, that gets brittle and will crack and cause leaks. So in this case, we need an 8mm drill bit for the 8mm bulb tight rivet. So I'm going to just drill through this one now. And then of course, using the 8mm bulb tight rivet, make sure we got the right nose tip for the 8mm bulb tight, and then make sure you push down firmly and then bring it up. Okay, so there you have it. And now we require 6 of those per Skylight sheet. So 6 of these clips, 3 on each side per any Skylight mesh. Thank you.